Now I have this model here, and I want, for example, a specific area in second floor, for example, like this lobby here. Okay, I will go, for example, by selecting first the zone or the area that I want to apply section box. Then I go here in ribbon and I have this button here, section box. Now I have only this area here. You see, I can here adjust it as I want, and I can here like create a view based on this section box. Sometimes also we can use a section box, like for example, only by selecting one element. Let's see how it's work. I just undo it here. I just uncheck it. Now, for example, I want like this place here. I select this table and I go a section box. Now I have a section box only for this place, okay? Only on this table. Then I can adjust here and adjust my view and my look. Sometimes these simple tricks can accelerate navigating inside when inside a big model. Sometimes we don't have a we don't have much time, and sometimes we want to go to specific area. This is when section box come to as a very nice tips. I hope this video help you to use a section box in your design. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks from 5 Minute Revit. Thank you and have a nice day.